Hello friends, this is Scott, and we're sitting out on my deck, and it is part 2 of growing your own sweet potato slips. And I'll link the description to the previous video. I believe it was vlog 97, but I'll link that. But here's a look at what we've got here. This has been sitting way too long on the countertop. I planted this, or I put this potato in the water way too early this year, probably by about 30, 45 days. But it didn't hurt anything. The leaves are a little bit worse for wear, but as you see, some of the advantages of doing that are we've got already some substantial roots. Now, most of the slips, there's the extra process, which I'm going to show you today, is on the slips that we're not touching the water. Now, I'm plucking all these slips off the main potato. I'm going to leave this little one here that'll continue to grow, and I'll probably get another slip or two out of this, but I'll put that back in the water. I'll change the water out here in a few minutes. But the simplest aspect of this, if this was at the water level, so it's already ready to go, but it's only May 3rd today, and I'm not going to plant these until the last frost is for sure not going to happen because sweet potatoes cannot tolerate any frost or any really cold temperatures. So Mother's Day is coming up this weekend. I'll probably plant them next week sometime. But here I separate the one I thought was one plant or one slip, and I've got two there. Now, I don't need a ton of sweet potato slips in my small yard, so 4 to 8 is what I need probably. And as you see here, I'm showing you the tops, and then I got it upside down here. Let's flip it back. There we go. There's where I got a root. But this is what you do, is you stick this slip that I just pried off the potato and just shove it in the water, because that will grow its own roots just off the slip. So that's as simple as the second part of the process is. If all the slips that were growing above the water level, you just shove now, you pinch them off and you shove them down into a new glass of fresh water, and you let those roots. So I think I have 5 here, and I'll get a couple more probably. But there you see, that's as hard as it is. And pretty simple process. The leaves are a little worse for wear, but I think we'll be doing fine. I don't think we have any major diseases. And here's a look, final look at what's left. And again, I'll put this back on the counter, change the water out, and let it grow a few more slips, which I'll then have to break off and reroot. Now, part 3 of this will be the easy step of planting these rooted out slips into some very fertile soil, and we'll see what kind of crop we get by the first frost in the late fall or early winter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like what you see. Thank you.